Sam is learning English, but he feels confused when sentences become long. One day, someone asks him, "What will you have been doing for 2 hours by 8 p.m.?" Sam gets shocked. He thinks, this is too difficult. He feels like English is getting harder and harder. If you also feel scared when sentences become long, don't worry, this video will make it very simple. Sam had a big problem. He could speak simple sentences, but when he wanted to talk about actions that continue for a long time in the future, he got stuck. He would stop speaking because he didn't know how to explain duration. This made him lose confidence. Maybe you also face this problem. You know English, but you cannot express time clearly. One day, Sam learned a new tense. His teacher said, "Future perfect continuous is not difficult. It means an action will continue for some time before a specific point in the future." She gave him a simple formula. Subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing plus time. Sam felt relaxed because now he had a clear structure. Now Sam started practicing with real-life examples. He said, "By 8 p.m., I will have been studying for 2 hours. By next year, I will have been learning English for 1 year. By evening, she will have been working all day." Slowly, Sam understood that this tense is used to show duration of time in the future. Now everything started making sense. Before, Sam made mistakes like saying, "I will be studying." But now he knows the correct form, "I will have been studying." Just remember one thing, always use have been in this tense. This small change makes your sentence correct and powerful. Now Sam feels confident. He can speak long and clear sentences. And you can do the same. Just think. By this time tomorrow, what will I have been doing? Then speak in English. Start practicing today. Keep practicing, and slowly you will speak English with confidence.